explain to us about the Vita.
I have no idea.
It's
Supposed to be badass.
It's an Assassin's Creed bundle edition. Over 59 savings.
Oh yeah. Let's cut this bitch open. I need you to back up on my grill. Please read up PlayStation. Do I have to cut even more? Or?
Yes, you probably. No.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah. Oh.
One more. Cut you. I don't want to accidentally like cut the Vita. Be all pissed, paid so much for it. And,
how much did you pay?
How much did I pay? Like. Oh.
200 and.
Yeah, like 200 or something. And then you paid 100. Yeah. Sorry, Angel is having a hard time opening it. There we go.
It's God's teasing you.
God shouldn't do that. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Welcome to the world of PlayStation.
Manual, you know.
All that good stuff.
Star of the show. Oh, it feels so good. You know, we'll get to him later in a little bit. Let's see what else.
Is it a him or is it a her?
It's a her.
It's a her.
Oh, Assassin's Creed.
You got a.
You know, 4 GB Assassin's Creed game right there. Oh, you get the. I don't know how to say this. The augmented reality thing.
The protection plan.
Instruction. That important. You got the charger. USB, like that. Nothing in the box. Nothing else. Not important.
What's her name?
I don't know. I'll come up with the name later. Yeah. Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Touchscreen. Oh, camera. Look at that. Oh. It's like I died, got to heaven.
And it's white too.
And it's white.